Groupe PSA has officially marked its debut in India, along with the unveiling of the C5 Aircross. The vehicle will be assembled at the Hosur plant in Tamil Nadu, India. To begin with the localization, the company will achieve 70% localization. The C5 Aircross will be launched in India before the end of 2020. The 5-seat SUV is based on the Groupe PSA EMP2 platform that also underpins the DS7 SUV. As seen in images, the Citroen C5 Aircross gets a distinctive split headlamp design on the front along with short overhangs at the front and rear. The vehicle gets a masculine bonnet and a sweeping grille for a sporty stance. In terms of dimensions, the C5 Aircross measures 4,500 mm in length, 1,840 mm in width and 1,670 mm in height. Although engine options remain unannounced for now, we expect the vehicle to be powered by a 1.2-liter petrol engine that generates 128 bhp of power, while the SL variant is likely to be powered by a 2.0-liter engine that produces 178 bhp of power. The vehicle will be available in 6-speed manual and 8-speed automatic option. At the time of launch, the C5 Aircross will be offered with premium leather upholstery and a large dashboard that houses a large 8-inch infotainment screen in the center and multiple vertically stacked rectangular-shaped AC vents. Moreover, the SUV will get safety features in the form of multiple airbags, blind spot assist, hill hold assist, traffic detection and more.